Planning a fun outdoor adventure means comfort matters, especially for little explorers who need safe, cozy seating while enjoying camping trips, picnics, or backyard adventures with family. This guide shows the top 5 best camping chair for kids, balancing safety, portability, and durability. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Idea Nuova Camping Chair for Kids. The Idea Nuova Camping Chair for Kids is a fantastic option for parents looking to combine comfort, safety, and fun in one portable seating solution. Designed with a bright and playful bluey theme, this chair instantly captures kids' attention and makes outdoor activities more exciting. Whether it's a camping trip, picnic, backyard playtime, or sports event, children feel special having their own character-themed chair. Beyond looks, the chair is built with a supportive metal frame that includes a safety locking mechanism on the legs, giving parents peace of mind during use. The seat is made from durable poly-canvas fabric, offering long-lasting performance even with regular indoor and outdoor use. A high back and armrests provide excellent support, helping kids sit comfortably for longer periods without feeling tired. One of the most convenient features is the built-in cup holder located in the armrest, which allows kids to keep their drink close and reduces spills. Portability is another strong advantage, as the chair folds easily and fits neatly into the included carry case, making it simple to transport and store. With dimensions suitable for children ages 3 and up and a weight capacity of 81 pounds, it strikes a good balance between sturdy construction and kid-friendly sizing. Overall, the Idea Nuova Camping Chair for Kids is a well-rounded choice that blends safety, comfort, portability, and a fun design that young Bluey fans will absolutely love. Number 2. Emily Rose Camping Chair for Kids. The Emily Rose Camping Chair for Kids is thoughtfully designed for toddlers and young children, making it an excellent choice for families who enjoy outdoor activities together. With its charming pink floral design, this chair is especially appealing to young kids who love bright, playful patterns. It is perfectly sized for children between the ages of 2 and 7, offering a comfortable and secure seating experience during camping trips, beach outings, picnics, or backyard fun. The sturdy steel frame provides impressive strength, supporting up to 125 pounds, which means it can easily grow with your child. Safety is a major highlight, as the chair includes a child safety lock that helps prevent accidental folding while in use. The folding mechanism is simple and smooth, allowing quick setup and takedown without hassle. Comfort is enhanced by durable polyester fabric that feels supportive yet easy to clean with mild soap and water. A built-in mesh cup holder keeps drinks within easy reach, adding extra convenience during long outdoor days. The matching carry case is another thoughtful addition, making transportation and storage effortless for parents on the go. As a CPSIA and ASTM certified product that is free from lead and phthalates, it meets high safety standards. Backed by a trusted USA brand and a Mother's Choice Award, the Emily Rose Camping Chair for Kids delivers reliability, comfort, and style in one well-crafted package. Number 3. Emily Rose Blue Camo Camping Chair for Kids. The Emily Rose Blue Camo Camping Chair for Kids offers the same trusted quality as the brand's floral version, but with a bold, adventurous design that appeals to both boys and girls. Featuring a colorful blue camouflage pattern, this chair is perfect for kids who enjoy outdoor exploration, camping, and backyard adventures. Designed for children ages 2 to 7, it provides a comfortable seat size while still offering impressive durability. The strong metal frame supports up to 125 pounds, ensuring stability and long-term use as kids grow. Safety remains a top priority, with a built-in child safety lock that helps prevent unexpected folding during use. The folding mechanism is easy to operate, making setup quick and stress-free for parents. The chair folds compactly, allowing it to be stored neatly in the included matching carry case, which is ideal for travel and organization. A mesh cup holder adds extra convenience, keeping drinks close and reducing spills during outdoor activities. The polyester fabric is tough yet easy to clean, making it suitable for frequent use at beaches, campsites, or sporting events. As with other Emily Rose products, this chair meets CPSIA and ASTM safety standards and is made without harmful materials. Overall, the Emily Rose Blue Camo camping chair for kids is a reliable, stylish, and practical option for families seeking a lightweight, portable, and safety-tested chair that kids will enjoy using again and again. Number 4. KABOER Camping Chair for Kids. The KABOER Camping Chair for Kids stands out for its impressive strength, portability, and playful design. Made with high-quality Oxford fabric featuring a protective coating, this chair is resistant to water and stains, making it ideal for outdoor environments like camping grounds, beaches, and backyard barbecues. The heavy-duty steel frame provides excellent stability and durability, supporting up to an impressive 225 pounds, which is unusually high for a kid's chair. Despite its strong build, the chair remains lightweight at only 3 pounds, allowing children to carry it themselves with ease. Designed for kids aged 3 to 10, it offers a comfortable seating experience with supportive armrests and a built-in cup holder that keeps drinks easily accessible. The fun and colorful patterns are especially appealing to children, encouraging them to use the chair during outdoor breaks or relaxation time. One of the biggest advantages of the KABOER chair is its ease of use, as it requires no assembly and can be folded or opened in seconds. The included carry bag makes storage and transportation simple, whether you're heading to a campsite or just storing it at home. Compact when folded, it doesn't take up much space in a car or closet. Overall, the KABOER Camping Chair for Kids is a versatile and durable choice that combines strength, convenience, and kid-friendly design, making it a great gift for active outdoor-loving families. Number 5. Mountain Summit Gear Camping Chair for Kids. The Mountain Summit Gear Camping Chair for Kids is designed to help children feel included during family outdoor activities by giving them a comfortable seat of their own. Built with an easy-fold steel frame and durable polyester fabric, this chair offers a solid balance of strength and comfort. Recommended for kids aged 3 to 10, it features a low seat height that allows children to sit safely and independently. With a weight capacity of up to 225 pounds, the chair is impressively sturdy while still weighing only 3.4 pounds, making it easy to carry. One of the standout features is the inclusion of fun design options, such as frog, astronaut, or fox themes, which add excitement and personality that kids enjoy. The chair also includes a built-in cup holder, allowing children to keep their drinks close during camping trips or backyard hangouts. A safety lock adds extra stability, preventing accidental folding while the chair is in use. When not needed, it folds down compactly, making storage and transportation simple. Additional thoughtful touches, such as an ownership log patch, make it feel more personal for kids. Whether used for camping, outdoor events, or relaxing at home, the Mountain Summit Gear Camping Chair for Kids delivers comfort, durability, and playful design in one reliable package that parents can trust. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.